So welcome back everyone to Aaron's Yard. Today we're going to be doing some wood chipping, but first gotta have to crack a beer from Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Some Yingling Light. Here's to ya. So I got the DR chipper here attached to the golf cart. I got a big pile of brush. I've been cutting a lot of trees. You get a lot of brush, you got to chip it somehow. What better way than the DR chipper? I bought it a couple years ago. It works pretty well. I mean, for the smaller stuff it's nice and I can just get rid of it quick. Normally I rent a big 12-inch chipper and just do it all in one day, but this might take me a lot longer. So let's try it out. I haven't started in a while. Did a nice service to it. Changed the oil, changed the gas, and just went through a check. Greased all the bearings and inflated the tires again because I didn't use it last year. So let's get to it. So now, when using a machine like this, it's loud. The first thing you really should have is ear protection. So I use a couple earbuds, twist them up, stick them in, good to go. Also, gloves and eye protection. I found these gloves for $2 at Harbor Freight. Best gloves out there. When I'm done with them, I take them and I throw them out because they do take a beating, and I found these are the best, cheapest things to protect your hands. I'm sure there's other better gloves on the market, but I find these ones work well. All right, so hey everyone, did the chipping yesterday. I didn't get a whole lot of footage of it because it's a bear. It beats me up, and I get scratches all over me, and it's really not fun. But we're gonna open up this beer, and I got something that was sent to me from a subscriber, and I subscribe to his channel, and he does splitting videos and cool stuff like I do. And he sent me a t-shirt, I think. Let's open it up. Cool. Check this shirt out. That's the front. You can see that. And that's the back. That's a nice shirt. Thanks, Scheib. Really appreciate it, man. Definitely check out his channel. It's Outside with Scheib on YouTube. And he does really cool splitting videos. He's probably got one of the coolest splitters I've seen, the Rugged Made. 37 ton. I don't think there's anything that splitter can't handle as far as wood size. And you know, I've seen him put some heavy stuff through that. Some really dry ash and nice red oaks and stuff like that. So I also got some stickers which I'll be putting on my machine. Cool, man. Really appreciate it. So that's gonna do it for this episode. If you like this stuff, please subscribe, share with your friends, give me a thumbs up on it, and I'll keep creating more content. Thanks. All right, so the first sticker I'm gonna be putting on the log splitter. I think that's the best place to put it because got some open real estate right here. So he's gonna go right in the middle. These are really nice stickers, by the way. All right. All right. Oh, there she is. Outside with Scheib. Now for the next sticker, I think I'm gonna put it somewhere else. So I don't know how many of you have seen the Ultimate Firewood golf cart, but this is gonna get the next sticker. Looks like it'll curve right there. How's that? That'd be cool. Nice. So there you have it. The Ultimate Firewood golf cart now has an Outside with Scheib sticker on it. If anyone else out there has got any stickers that they want to send me, and I'd be cool with putting them on my machinery too. And yeah, I'll split you later.